Hey Amazon sellers and soon to be Amazon sellers, big changes you need to know that will impact selling on Amazon. Recently, the US announced new tariffs on Chinese imports, and that's a huge problem for most Amazon sellers. Private label sellers now face higher costs, longer delays, and constant uncertainty. In one day, tariffs 25%. The next, it's gone or even doubled. Dropshippers also too in trouble with unreliable delivery, stricter Amazon rules, and now extra custom issues. But ALGO sellers, we're in a great spot. We source from US and Canadian suppliers, so we don't deal with importing or customs. And the big brands that we buy from have entire teams handling the tariff headaches for us. And even if some US suppliers raise their price, we're protected because we're buying in bulk and flipping trusted brands that customers already know and want. Plus, this gives us a huge advantage over Chinese sellers whose margins are already razor thin that just disappeared overnight. And yes, more sellers might try wholesale now, but most don't have the training or the support or a system like ALGO. If you're already in, this is your time to lean in. If not, now's the perfect time to start. With the economy uncertain and people worried about income, building a side business on Amazon just became even more important than ever before. And ALGO is the simplest and smartest way to do it. We're hosting a free live webinar, but spots are limited. So hurry and click on that link below now to reserve your spot today.